Hi, this is Michelle Holdeman with B&B SmartWorx. Today we're unboxing and taking a quick look at the SmartStart LTE Cat 1 router and gateway from B&B SmartWorx, powered by Advantech. This specific device is for North America, but B&B has additional SKUs available for the EMEA region. In North America, the SmartStart is certified on both the AT&T and Verizon networks. So what is SmartStart? This router is a great way to connect RS-232 and Ethernet devices to a cellular network. It has a multi-carrier LTE Cat 1 cellular network support with dual SIMs. Some industrial M2M and IoT applications include Ethernet lottery machines, ATM stations, kiosk locations, gaming terminals, along with RS-232 traffic controllers, meters, UPS systems, PLCs, and more. When you order a SmartStart LTE router, this is what you'll receive. So let's open the box and take a look. First, we have the Quick Start Guide. And then, this is the SmartStart LTE router. In the front of the device, we have the Diversity antenna connector, main antenna connector, RS-232 DB9 connector, the RJ45 Ethernet connector, and the power supply connector. In the rear panel, we have the dual SIM card slots, which would be used to connect to a cellular network. Also included is the power supply cable. The router requires an external DC power supply, which, as you can see, can be connected via the tin strip leads. And at the other end, we have the power supply connector. Lastly, we include an optional DIN rail attachment with two holes that will attach to the corresponding holes on the back of the device. Several top features of SmartStart include best-in-class power consumption, as well as optimization for solar and battery-powered applications. It has enhanced memory to host custom software applications and a wide variety of protocols. SmartStart also supports VPN tunnel creation using various protocols for safer communications. There's automatic monitoring of wireless and wired connections, automatic restart in case of connection losses, and a hardware watchdog which monitors router status and much more.